Hello, welcome to Kevin's Vlogs. Today we are at Tamak Mall Gardens and I'm at their farm. So let's look at their animals together. First we got these cute little goats. They're so cute. We got this white horse and this brown horse. I don't think if you can see it. I don't think you can see it. But look, it's there. We've got this Highland cow. It's so cute and fat at the same time. Now we've got some chickens.
More chicken.
Got some ducks. The duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, mom, bum, bum, got a few grapes? Got some chips." Meh. Oh, a rabbit! A rabbit! So cute! Big goat. This is a big goat. Goats again. Oh, these are some cute ostrich. So cute. Pig. Big fat pigs. There are some big fat pigs. I saw some chickens and ducks. These are so cute. Chickens and ducks. Chickens and ducks. And now the last animal. 2 chickens. Chickens. Bok, bok, bok.